Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. So we're at the 2003 at the Aspire Post Oak, and this is the Allen floor plan. So we're gonna walk in and do a detailed walkthrough of the Allen floor plan. This is very pretty, very modern feeling. You can see all the light cabinets, the very light countertops, the beautiful cabinets that are below, the wine fridge, I love the way this encircles the fridge too. It's a beautiful fridge, it's a Whirlpool fridge. And then I love how this just goes and overlooks the city. It's just a gorgeous apartment. This is a great space over here. You've got space for easily four people, but then the apartment is so big that you've also got space over here to put this things like this table. You've also got a really light modern feel over here. There's great lights up there, but then of course you've got these floor-to-ceiling windows that are just fabulous. Wow, this is a stunning apartment and it feels great, it looks great. Guests are gonna love coming over here. This is the views outside. We're out here on the patio balcony, and man, it's amazing. You're seeing, this is the 20th floor. We're seeing some spectacular views here of Houston. So that's what it looks like here. This is part one. We're gonna do a part two now. We're gonna go in the bedroom and bath. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below.